Now when you bula, Bua Domoni, Yadua. Yeah. Sunrise glow, a Suva sign. From my soul where the fresh spring hide, situated Wairua, Lady Narayan drive. Where the old ways and new still alive. From the source, now I drodro, sobu. Ancient road where the spirits move slow.
Now qele tabu, feel the vibration. From the past to the new generation. Sega yali na yaca go. We carry it everywhere we go.
Tamavua-i-Wai, move your body slow. Now I ain't even know why. Let the good life flow. Side to side, feel the island vibe. From the roots to the city light.
Tamavua-i-Wai, say the name out loud. Ancestors dancing in the crowd.
And soul, one people, one heart, one goal. Makaturaga in the way we stand, respecting the heart, qele in the hand. If us and akase, we listen close. Every story something sacred we hold.
Na mana sega Wairua, but you feel it when you step on the vanua. From roots to Suva town, this place never let us down.
Tamavua-i-Wai, move your body slow. Now I ain't even know why. Let the good life flow. Side to side, feel the island vibe. From the roots to the city lights.
Tamavua-i-Wai, say the name out loud. Ancestors dancing in the crowd. Low drum top to the heartbeat. Guitar cry make the people feel sweet. From Bua Domoni, Yadua, we connect the way. One island sound, one island way.
Now I Suva wash my pain. Blessing fall like iron rain. Vanua,
Natamata, bula,
Bua Domoni,
Yadua.
Tamavua. Turn it up tonight, the rich in the day, city in the night. Hands up high to the island sky. We don't fade, we multiply.
Tamavua-i-Wai, forever we stay. B.D.K.Y Production, this is our holiday.
Wairua road, Lady Narayan died.
Vegan still alive. From the white to the sea. Tamavua-i-Wai.